Welcome back to Decor, where we explore timeless garden design ideas that bring beauty and calm into your everyday life. Today, we're stepping into the charm of French country gardens, a style that blends elegance with relaxed rustic living. Think soft florals swaying in the breeze, weathered textures, and a garden that feels both curated and naturally abundant. This style is perfect for anyone who wants a space that feels romantic yet effortlessly lived in. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Decor, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite garden style? Let's get inspired together. French country gardens are all about balance, structured yet soft, elegant yet approachable. They often combine natural growth with subtle design elements that guide the eye without feeling rigid. Unlike formal gardens, this style embraces imperfection. Plants spill over pathways, flowers bloom in loose clusters, and every corner feels like it evolved naturally over time. The key is to create harmony between architecture and nature, allowing both to complement each other in a gentle, understated way. A defining feature of French country gardens is the use of soft, romantic florals. Think lavender, roses, peonies, and hydrangeas in muted tones of pink, cream, purple, and blue. These flowers are often planted in layers, creating depth and a sense of abundance. The goal is not perfection, but a lush, slightly wild beauty. Mixing perennials with seasonal blooms ensures your garden feels alive throughout the year, always offering something new to admire. Pathways in French country gardens are rarely straight or overly polished. Instead, they curve gently, inviting exploration and discovery. Materials like gravel, stone, or aged brick add texture and authenticity. These paths should feel like they've been there for decades, shaped by time and footsteps. Let plants soften the edges of your pathways, allowing greenery and flowers to spill slightly over, blurring the line between structure and nature. Refined rustic details are at the heart of this style. Weathered wood, wrought iron, and aged stone create a sense of history and warmth. Garden furniture should feel timeless. Think wooden benches, iron chairs, or antique-style tables that look better with a little wear. These textures add depth and character, making the garden feel grounded and authentic rather than overly polished. Incorporating simple structures like pergolas, arches, or trellises can elevate your garden design while maintaining its relaxed charm. Climbing plants such as roses or vines can weave through these structures, creating natural focal points that feel soft and romantic. Even a small fountain or stone feature can bring a sense of calm and elegance, anchoring the space without overpowering it. French country gardens are not just beautiful, they're practical too. Herbs like thyme, rosemary, and sage are often integrated into the design. Vegetable patches can blend seamlessly with flower beds, creating a garden that is both productive and visually pleasing. This approach celebrates the idea that beauty and function can coexist, making your garden a space you truly live in and enjoy daily. The overall feeling of a French country garden should be calm and inviting. It's a place to slow down, sip tea, and enjoy the simple pleasures of nature. Soft lighting, such as lanterns or string lights, can enhance the ambience, especially in the evening. Let your garden evolve naturally over time, embrace growth, change, and a little bit of wildness to keep the space feeling alive and authentic. French country garden design is a celebration of grace, softness, and rustic elegance. It invites you to create a space that feels both beautiful and deeply personal. By combining soft florals, natural materials, and a relaxed layout, you can transform any garden into a peaceful retreat inspired by the French countryside. Thank you for spending time with Decor today. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your ideas in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next inspiration.